No problem.
3%.
Yes.
Please
There we
keep
go.
the screen. Yes,
Yeah,
I
for
will
the
scan
next.
again.
No problem.
Have
Thank
a
you.
so much on there.
Bye. Number 1, Holly. Do you want me to go in first?
Want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. 我哋而家出發去昂山嘅冰雪王國啦！一陣見。
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thawed a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
我哋最好嘅朋友啊！Okay, you're going up to the ice palace. Lucky, bye.
Just call it right, 'cause for the first time in forever
Yeah.
So cream on my legs.
Oh, and you got me with the flop.
Happy snowman? Exactly!
I love my special.
Hold on to my dream. Relaxing in the summer sun. Just let love stream. And the sky will be blue. And your eyes will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put it together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay in and cut up a put me in summer and I'll be a happy snowman. Exactly. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun. Just let love stream.
You enjoyed that one?
Yeah. The
Yeah.
part where we went down and got wet was the best part.
左邊離開，祝你哋有個開心嘅下雪節。
Can you bring the bag?